Thank you, inactive. Ngayon ka na lang ulit napadaan. Hayaan niyo yan, guys. Hindi naman ako apektado sa mga pinagsabi ng mga yan kasi hindi naman totoo. Thank you, Daddy. Thanks, Daddy Rude. Welcome back to my life. Can you give me a call? Skincare routine. I don't have any skincare. I just washing my face with facial wash only. That's all. Skincare routine po ba? Tingnan nyo. Grabe breakout. Hello, have a great, wonderful evening at you, my beautiful, lovely friend. How's your day? My day is good. It went well. Para sa stress na student, yeah, blessed skin, I would say. Hindi talaga siya blessed skin. Tignan niyo mga sobrang pangit ng ano, pag walang makeup. Nahahawa ako sa kasipagan mo mag-aral. Oh, you're working pala. Fourth year na kasi ako, so busy talaga.